Hey, welcome back to the vlog, everybody. Thanks for the support on the third one. If you missed it, make sure to go check it out. It's on the GForceTV YouTube page. Today, we're sticking with the theme of brakes as we're looking to rebuild our brake masters right here. We're trying to make sure that everything on the insides of them are up to code, nothing got overheated. So we're gonna end up putting some rebuild kits through the masters and yeah, let's get into it. And that is what the inside of a brake master looks like. I don't know if you can actually see it too well. All these parts here will be taken out, have to get replaced because the spring gets overheated, obviously, because the brakes are the hottest part of the car sometimes. So the spring gets a ton of heat through it and eventually it becomes weak, and slowly the master will fail as these parts are not made out of the best materials. This O-ring's got to come out too. On to the next one. It is super important to make sure these brake masters are clean and spotless when we put them back together, because any little bit of dirt that gets inside of the masters will not only affect our braking, but very large possibility that when we go to stand on the brake pedal, it just goes to the floor and I go straight into the wall. So when playing around with brake masters and calipers, it's not anything to mess with. There's a reason why we replace these every year, or we rebuild them at least every year. All right, so the brake masters are done, they're rebuilt. The brake calipers are about halfway done. The fronts are done. The rears are still apart. The pistons are out. The O-rings are out. It's important to take it all apart. Make sure there's no dirt. Replace the O-rings. Make sure nothing's worn out. Nothing's been beat up too much. That's going to be all for today. Thanks for tuning in to this fourth vlog. We'll see you in the next video. Make sure to keep up with us on all of our social media. For GForceTV and Tiemersma Motorsports, we'll see you next time.